Hi, this is Healer Tamilarsan, son of Ponrasa, from Amirda Acupuncture Research Center at Salem, Tamil Nadu, India. In this video, we are going to see about Essence, Part 1. The following notes are referred from these books. Firstly, Nijing, which is the world's first acupuncture book. Then Nanjing. This is very famous book in nowadays, which is also used in acupuncture colleges for making syllabuses. Then the study of 8 extraordinary vessels by Li Shizhen, the Zhangzi Bin, the medical treasure, the Pulse Classic. Let us see what is essence. Essence is also called as Jing in Chinese. It is one of the most important vital substance such as essence, qi, mind, blood, body fluids. Among these, the essence is the most important basic component for all, because without any one of these vital substances, we can't live even a second, because these all are life givers for us. There are totally three types of essences. They are first prenatal essence, which is also called as pre-heaven essence. It is obtained from parents during conception. Then postnatal essence, which is also known as post-heaven essence. It is also obtained from food and air after birth. Then finally kidney essence. This is not a separate essence, which is a combination of both prenatal and postnatal essences. Let us see how the essence is formed. The yin essence from female and yang essence from male get unites to form the essence known as fetus. Then again the yin essence from female, that is mother, goes to the fetus left kidney. Like this, the yang essence goes to fetus right kidney and gets stored. After sometimes the yin essence gets transformed into kidney essence. This is with the help of yang aspect at right kidney, because yang gives the energy for this transformation of yin essence into kidney essence. After the formation of kidney essence, it gives rise to sperms in men and menstrual blood and ova in women. Let us see this formation briefly in depth. The yang essence, that is from father's chromosomes like X or Y, and in essence, that is only X chromosome of mother, both are united to form a zygote at conception, is known as fetus. Then the yang aspect from the father goes to the fetus's right kidney and gets stored. Like this, the yin essence from mother goes to the left kidney and gets stored. The one sayings from Nijing, the yang essence from father stored at right kidney, and that essence energy are concentrated at a particular acupuncture point, that is D4, and in Chinese it is called as Ming Men. Like this, the yin essence from mother stored at left kidney concentrates on a point known as Ren 4, also called as Guan Yuan. Why these 2 points only concentrates these energies? Because its names implies this. Let us see what is meant by Du 4. Du 4 is also known as Ming Men, and its English translation is Gate of Life, because this point is the gate for our life, that is for Yang essence. Like this, the Ren 4 is also called as Guan Yuan, and its English translation was Essence Gate. Its names also implies the reason why this point concentrates on the essence, because it is the gate for essence, that is in essence of mother. Hence, this prenatal essence determines each person's unique basic constitutional makeup, that is body structure and strength and vitality, that is aging. So, the prenatal essence from father and mother is very important, since it is inherited from parents at conception only. So, pre-heaven essence cannot be increased quantitatively after childbirth, because it is obtained from parents during conception only. So, after conception, we can't increase the quantity of this essence. But some says that it is positively affected by only postnatal essence in qualitative factor, which means we cannot increase the prenatal essence, but we can strengthen the prenatal essence by only with the interaction of postnatal essence. It is obtained from food and air. So if we want to increase the strength of our prenatal essence, one should maintain their diet in balanced manner and also practice breathing exercise such as qigong and some yogas to obtain good air chi. And this is for good air chi and good food chi for postnatal essence. This prenatal essence gets converted into kidney essence at a particular time, that is known as puberty, which is 14 years for female and 16 years for male. After this, the kidney essence gives rise to tiangui, which is considered as sperms in men and menstrual blood and ova in women. This tiangui is produced by kidney essence at a particular place known as Bao. Bao is considered as room of Jing in men and uterus in women's. This Bao is exactly located between two acupuncture points, that is DU4 and REN4. After the maturation of prenatal essence into kidney essence, it is replenished by postnatal essence. This is how the kidney essence is a combination of both prenatal and postnatal. After this formation, the kidney essence stores also at kidney and circulates all over the body and mostly in the 8 extraordinary vessels. These are a special type of vessels because there are totally 71 types of meridians in our body. Among these 8 are particularly very special because these 8 vessels are the only vessels formed from conception. Remaining meridians are formed after birth only. So it is very special. Hence, the kidney essence is mostly circulated in EOV and EOV is used for treating this kidney essence. And finally, this kidney essence is the basis ruler for our growth, reproduction, development, sexual maturation, conception, pregnancy, menopause, and aging. We need to discuss more about these functions each uniquely. For this, we need more time for these functions. So we are going to make another video, that is essence part 2, particularly for these functions only. And all of you be aware of this essence concept because this essence determines our whole life, and the parents also need to take more insight into this essence because if they want a good child without any disorders, they need to save and prepare their essence in a well manner. So they need to take more attention in this essence concept. If you like this video, then subscribe and click the bell notification button below, and you can get updates from us. And don't keep this knowledge and video with yours. Share this knowledge and video to everyone because there are lots of peoples are eagerly waiting for this essence. And one more thing, be always givers because only by givers are able to get more than you have. For further details and doubts, contact me through WhatsApp only, and I give my WhatsApp number in the below description 9364 333 666. Thank you.